If you're like most paintless dent repair technicians, you've probably looked at a repair like this and thought, I'm not touching that. Not because you don't want to, but because you don't yet have the confidence to know you can bring it back to a high level without repainting it. That's exactly why I built the Advanced Paintless Dent Repair Training platform. In this newest module, I take you through a newer Porsche Taycan aluminum fender repair from start to finish. You'll see the complete thought process, tool selection, strategy, and the subtle techniques that make repairs like this possible. This isn't about memorizing techniques, it's about understanding how metal moves so you can confidently apply the right approach to any repair. The goal is to help you hit the fast forward button. Instead of spending years learning through trial and error, you can benefit from over 2 decades of real world experience condensed into detailed long form training. New advanced modules are added every month covering aluminum, high strength steel, glue pulling, lateral tension, shrinking, finishing, and much more. If you're serious about taking your PDR skills to the next level, I'll see you inside.